Hey everybody, Brantley here with Big Idea Design. We're downtown Chattanooga today talking about our brand new fixed blade, the Lookout.
Like James Dean, and you can take it from me, because we used to.
Right behind me is Lookout Mountain, one of the most iconic features of downtown Chattanooga. So we thought, what better way to introduce our first fixed blade but to give it its namesake. Chattanooga is a city that's all about innovation and industry. You've got Little Debbie's, the first bottled Coca-Cola. Tow trucks were invented here. We do a lot of cool stuff around here. So we thought, what better to add our own spin to it and open a US machine shop right at the base of Lookout Mountain. All right, so that's enough about Chattanooga. Let's talk about the Lookout. The Lookout is a small, pocketable fixed blade designed to be front pocket carried. It is about as small as we could get it with still being a full 4-finger hold. The blade is 2.2 inches long. It is a flat crowned clip point. The overall length of the knife is just over 6 inches at 6.2 inches, and it's 0.37 inches wide on the handle thickness. It is a full tang design. It has 2 simple screws, one on the front and a hollow Chicago screw on the back if you would like to use a lanyard. That way we're not adding any extra holes for the lanyard hole. It's a nice, clean, minimal design. So this knife is going to come in 2 main options. We have our standard line, which is the one I have in my hand here. This is going to be an M390 steel with grade 5 TI scales, grade 5 TI hardware as well. And then we have our USA line. These are all going to come with Magna cut steel, and these all have grade 5 titanium screws as well, with the hollow Chicago screw for the lanyard on the back. We're offering them with 3 different handle materials. You have a tumbled Ultim, a black G10, and also Tiger Wood, which was voted on by our YouTube subscribers. And all of the US versions were made right here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Every Lookout is going to come with 2 sheaths, both a left and right carry. You get 2 Kydex sheaths with 1 titanium milled deep carry pocket clip. Over the last few months, we have all been field testing this knife, and we believe it is a truly great EDC fixed blade. In fall of 2023, we released a few batches of hand ground versions that even made it into some top 10 lists from 2023. The Lookout is our first collaborative design with our new shop manager, who is also an ABS Journeyman Smith, Mak Kelsay. We are super proud of this knife and the long journey that we took to get to this point, and we're excited to release it to the EDC community. If you have any other questions about the Lookout, please reach out to us, support@bigidesign.com. We would love to answer any questions you may have. Of course, this knife is covered by our lifetime warranty and free shipping. This is our 47th Kickstarter campaign. If you are a knife lover, if you know a knife lover, please help us out by sharing this project with them, posting it somewhere, giving us some love. We would appreciate it. Thank you for your support from everyone here at Big Idea Design. Hope you all are having a great day.